Hello, I am going to show you how to export a PDF report from your filtered queried dashboard. Right now we've selected only HERS rated homes in Arizona on our market intelligence dashboard, and I would like to export that as a static PDF. I'm going to go to this share icon in the top right hand corner of your screen, represented by the 3 circles. If that share icon does not appear when you hover in the top right hand corner, please let your CSM know and we can adjust your user settings. I will click on that and I'm going to go to the Export tab. I would like to export a PDF, so I will click on that and I will keep the option for the desktop viewing because I know that the person I'm sending this to will want to look at the dashboard from a desktop. I want to use my current applied filters for Arizona, so we will make sure that is still clicked. And I'm going to send via email now. Sending via email regularly is not an option for our customers at this point in time. This function will not work. If you would like to set up an automatically generated report at a specific cadence, please reach out to your CSM. You can also choose to use a customized message. If you use a customized message and want to keep a link to the live dashboard, you will have to copy in that share link and paste that into the customized message that you would like to send. If you choose to not send a customized message, you will enter the email of the person that you would like to receive this, hit email, and you will get a success message. The email that you will get, or that your coworker will get, I'm going to ignore that since I resent it, is this auto-generated email explaining who sent it to you, what the dashboard is, and then a live link to that dashboard with the PDF report. You'll notice that the PDF report that is generated is an exact replica of the screen with the filters that were selected. So it just gives a good look at what is on the dashboard with these filters, but you can't actually read any of the data that is just a graphical depiction unless there's like a specific number, like the average HERS index for the state of Arizona. The other thing that you'll want to know is that that link will take your coworker back to the live dashboard without any of the filters initiated. So it is basically a way to direct them to the live dashboard to ask more questions or to turn on the filters that you had shown them, but they will need to know that they will actually have to engage and interact with the platform to query for the things that they would like to understand.